The last week's tip, I just told you a good news. From now on, the applicant in Japan who had a non-immigrant visa interview and was approved can pick up the passport at Ayobas Service Center without making appointment. Currently, according to the website of the U.S. Embassy in Japan, due to system maintenance, Ayobas in Tokyo will be temporarily unavailable for the passport pickup service from April 29th to May 1st. If you will have an interview near this period, please be careful not going to the pickup by mistake. Pickup service at Ayobas in Tokyo will resume from May 7. By the way, during this period, the passport pickup service in Osaka and the premium delivery service will be available as usual. それではまた。See you next time.